Okay, you guys, so you guys kind of know I've been low-key obsessed with Coach lately. So I got some Coach stuff for y'all. Be sure if you're not already subscribed to my channel, find my link in the bio and please subscribe and share with some friends. And till next time, let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Taj Beauty TV. Happy Sunday to everybody. You won't be seeing this video until Monday, so maybe I should say happy Monday to everybody. I am back with another Coach haul for you guys. I'm excited to show you guys a few new pieces that I picked up. And once again, if you guys are new here, hello. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I am excited for this one because this was a part of a limited collection. This is part of a limited collection and I'm so excited for it. I was able to get like the last bits and pieces of it. They had like backpacks, they had purses, but I was able to get one small piece of the collection. You know how that go. But let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so we are going to start with this Anna fold over crossbody clutch. So the limited edition, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but it's called Cafe Facet Print. So Cafe Facet Print. So it's in the color khaki and purple. You know, purple is my color, so I had to go ahead and scoop this up. So this is labeled as a crossbody fold over. So it's gonna be on the smaller side, as you guys can see, but let's get into it. So, you know I hate taking out all my packaging, but I'm just gonna should I take it off? I'm gonna do it for y'all. I normally don't remove my packaging. Okay, so it's gonna be like on the thinner, smoother, sleeker side. So I'm assuming that you're just gonna be using this crossbody for maybe like a day trip, maybe to run some errands. But the inside body of the purse is even smaller than my Claire crossbody that I've been wearing every day. So it has 3 separate compartments. Here's the first one. It also has an area right here for you to put your cards. And then it has the part right here, I'm assuming, for you to put, you know, more personal items or maybe even your coins and things like that. So the color inside is this pretty navy blue. It also has the pebble stone right here with the Coach and the Cafe imprint right here. So like I said, Cafe Facet is a limited edition. I'm not really sure who they are, but apparently they're a big deal. So it has the Cafe logo right there. And they also had this print in this really cute olive green color. I really like that one too, but I had to pick one or the other, so I went ahead and I picked the purple one. So it has the classic Coach khaki logo and then all these cute purple flowers on the outside. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some photos of me wearing it just so you could get an idea of how it looks on an actual person. In the back, it also has one more pocket right here, you guys. So like I said, it is a sleeker body, but it definitely has plenty of compartments and everything for you to go ahead and utilize. So let me know what you guys think of this purse. And then I'm going to be moving on to the next item. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this big body right here. So this one is going to be the Kinley Backpack in the khaki and bright violet. Oh, for the Annie fold-over crossbody, I did pay $111.20, and the Kinley backpack was $159. Okay. Now the Kinley backpack is something that I have been looking for. Well, I've had my eye on it for a while, and then it kind of had a little price reduction, so I went ahead and scooped her up. So I did catch her on sale for $159, and here she is, you guys. She is just adorable. Isn't she so pretty? So the color that they're saying is that obviously the Coach Khaki, and then they're calling this one the Bright Violet. So she is just too cute, okay? So they have a couple of different backpacks available. They have this one backpack, I think it was called the Courtyard backpack. So the pocket on that one is right here as well, but it's more of a 3D dimensional. So you see how this one lies flush with the backpack? The other backpack, the pocket kind of extends out to here. So I really wanted that backpack over this one because of the pocket, but they just didn't have the colors that I was looking for. I really love this color. But I am happy though with how she looks. I could definitely see myself doing some day trips with this backpack. You know I have the kids, so water bottles, snacks, all that good stuff could fit in here. So on the website, they were showing that you could definitely fit your iPad in here. I believe up to 18 inches. That's what it was saying online. So it definitely has lots of space for you guys. And they stuffed it, okay? So here is the inside. It's this pretty chocolate brown color. It also has the, what's this say? It has this cute little Coach logo. This is a Coach bag. The store patch is our badge of authenticity. So yeah, it has a cute little thing right here, as well as a zipper. On this side, it has a couple of pockets. Hopefully you guys can see. On that side, it has a couple of pockets. The space inside is pretty open, you guys. I can't wait to wear her. Like, I'm going to be wearing her for sure. You know, I did my other Coach haul, and I don't think I've worn any of those purses yet besides the one that I'm wearing every day. So I know with me, I have a bad habit of just utilizing the same purse over and over and over again. But I'm actually ready to go ahead and swap out my Claire crossbody, and I might start taking this one right here because I really like the color. I like the style, and yeah, I think I might go ahead and start rocking this bag for a little bit. So here's the zipper in the front. Now this zipper, see, okay, I could kind of get my hand in there. So that's why I really wanted the other one, because I was figuring, I'm kind of a stuffer. I was figuring the pockets may be a little bit hard to utilize, but it's not too bad. So I don't know what I'm going to put in here. Maybe like my cell phone, maybe something like that, because my cell phone obviously is sleek. But this purse is cute. The bottom also has the pebble stone happening for you. And here is the backpack portion of it. So let me show you guys. Here's the back of it. I'm hoping that you guys can get an idea of it without me actually taking everything apart. So yeah, here is the backpack portion. What do you guys think so far, you guys? Are you guys liking any of these outfits? While you are here, go ahead, stop and pause, hit that thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like I said, I do a little bit of everything from fashion hauls, clothing hauls, wig reviews. I do it all, you guys. So I'm hoping that there is something on my channel that will spark your interest. And yeah, so yeah, this is the bag, you guys. I definitely love it, and I will be utilizing her probably this week coming up for sure. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so, because I do post on there kind of regularly. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and move on to the next item. Okay, Coach, let's come through with the cute little box. That's what I have been talking about. I'm like, I want to get some cute little packaging. Okay, so this is actually going to be the CR70 runner in khaki and pink. Now, this is my first time making a purchase like this with Coach. It has a little booklet, I guess, for the care booklet. But what y'all think it is? Go ahead and take a guess right now in the comments what y'all think it is. Okay, let's peel it back. Let's get all fancy. Da, da, da. Okay, so this is my first time buying any type of footwear from Coach. I was a little bit nervous, but I saw one of the girls on the website. She just rocked this really cute. I'm like, let me go ahead and give it a try. So I went ahead and picked these up. Now, like I said, these are called the C270 runners. These were the price was discounted to $119, and they are in the color khaki and pink. Now this is kind of different for me. Like I said, I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and give you guys some more creative content. I like how it has the Coach on the inside in green, in orange. I think that's cute. That's cute. So this one, I think it's cute. So it's all leather material. It has a little sleeve right here to give you extra cushion, I guess, for your foot and whatnot. I haven't tried it on. I'm opening it up right with you guys, so I haven't tried it on. Hopefully she's comfortable. But I'm gonna go ahead and insert a photo of me wearing them for you guys, just so you guys can see how they look on the feet. So yeah, you guys, the shoe definitely is smooth, clean. How would I wear this though? I guess I would wear it maybe with some jean shorts or even a jean skirt. So I'm excited to see how I'm gonna actually style this outfit. The girl on the website, she actually styled it with the crossbody that was similar to this right here. I did not get the crossbody, but I'm sure I do have another Coach carrier that has this pink in it though. I haven't showed you guys that one though, but I do have a Coach. Okay, so right here, I like this, is cute. It has the C right here on both sides in orange. I don't know if you can see it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert some photos right now. Other than that, that is the end of my Coach haul. Like I said, if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family, okay? Okay, so yeah, so without further ado, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, okay? All right, bye.